called the Washington Mall, and it is in the center of 4 federal buildings. To the north is the White House, to the east is the Capitol, to the south is the Jefferson Memorial, and to the east is the Lincoln Memorial, which are 4 main historic buildings that represent our government, with the monument being in the center. And then on the other end of D.C., not real far from the monument, was what's called the National Cathedral. The National Cathedral is where many times when there is a national tragedy that the presidents or the Congress and Senate will meet together if there's a time of prayer. There was a meeting, for example, right after 9/11 there. Heads of state that are buried and leaders that are buried many times if they die in our country, and their leaders, the funeral service is conducted at this very, very beautiful Episcopalian church, which is called National Cathedral. Now remember the significance of these two places. The Washington Monument is a symbol globally of not only the founding of our nation, named after George Washington, who was our first president, and Washington, D.C., Washington, the District of Columbia, was also named after our first beloved president, George Washington. So when you see this, and it's actually an Egyptian emblem, an Egyptian obelisk, when you see that, it represents the historic foundation of the country. But it also is a symbol, because of where it's located, of the political power and the political